Hi, I'm Bastian. Did you know that out of the 4 fundamental forces of nature, there's only one that can be safely manipulated at home and on your desktop? Yeah, and this is exactly what we'll be doing in this tutorial. So we'll grab a software-defined radio, and hopefully I can help you to get started with this amazing technology. A software-defined radio is a programmable radio that is in essence a piece of hardware together with a piece of software. And in essence, this is very similar to audio processing, where we have an audio interface that digitizes acoustic waves. In this case, you digitize electromagnetic waves and combine it with a real-time signal processing framework that serves as the base to implement your own transceivers that allow you to send and receive arbitrary signals. In this tutorial, we'll use the SDR spectrum analyzer to look for interesting signals in the spectrum. Once we find something, we switch to Inspectrum to have a closer look at the signal offline and derive the modulation in the system parameters. And finally, we switch to GNU Radio, a real-time signal processing framework that can serve as the base for your own transceiver implementations. Yeah, so this is in very brief what we'll be doing in the tutorial, and hope to see you in this session. Bye!